Alright, I don't know if this is going to work, but I'm going to try to get this beast on video because it's one hell of a fall. I got it notched. I got the trigger ready. I got the 2 trees in front of it notched, which are leaning back towards me, but this nice white oak should take him with her. Let's see if I can get this recorded. Stand by. She's going all the way down. I don't know. No, she's still hung. Oh, well, she's thinking. Well, she's in a real thicket of pine. I got what I wanted. Yeah, baby. You can see the 2 little hemlocks that I pre-cut. Wouldn't stop breaking this fall. She's still crackling, but she got hung up in this one over here. The hinge is a little thick. That's probably why she didn't release. It's a nice inch on one side, but close to 3 inches on the other. The skidder will get her down. Whew, nice fall. She's a nice money log. Beautiful grain on the inside. That's what I do. Over and out.